There are 4 major steps to the restoration process. Step 1. If there is any damage to transmission lines or towers, those are repaired first. Transmission lines carry power from our interconnection with our power supplier, TVA. Step 2. Crews repair damage to substations and bring circuits back online. Places that impact public health and safety like police stations, hospitals, and water pumping stations are top priorities. You may not see MLGW trucks or employees yet, but they are working. MLGW has more than 60 electrical substations. Depending on what the problem is, workers may be able to fix it at a substation and get power back on for thousands of people. Step 3. MLGW focuses on repairs that affect the most customers. For example, repairing a fuse here can restore power to 2,000 customers. Repairing this fuse restores power to 25. The repair that affects the most customers is a higher priority. You will probably start seeing crews in your neighborhood during Step 3. They're repairing primary and secondary distribution lines that run through streets and neighborhoods leading to your home. A lot of things can affect how long it takes for power to be restored. Tree limbs and branches have to be cleared by tree trimming crews before electrical crews can make repairs. Damage to the individual service line at your house or the meter center in your yard can also slow down restoration. Imagine your neighborhood. Here's your house, your next door neighbor's house, and the house across the street. A storm blows a tree into power lines. You and your next door neighbor lose power. The house across the street does not. Why? The house across the street is on a different distribution line. It was not damaged in the storm, so the house across the street never lost power. Unfortunately, the tree fell into the distribution line that feeds power to your house and your next door neighbor's house. MLGW crews repair the distribution line and re-energize it. Your next door neighbor has power now, but you do not. What's going on? When the tree fell, it damaged the distribution line and the individual service line that goes from the distribution line to your house. The individual service line has to be repaired before your power is restored. By now, we're in Step 4. Step 4 takes the longest because that's when MLGW workers are fixing individual service lines like the one at your house. Those lines can be harder to reach because of fences, tree limbs, or damage. Whatever the obstacles are, MLGW crews will continue to work quickly and safely until your power is restored.
Yeah!